Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this video, we are going to cover our fourth assignment of object-oriented programming lab, that is dynamic binding. Statement is design a base class shape with two double type values and member functions to input the data and compute area for calculating area of shape. Derive two classes, triangle and rectangle. Make compute area as an abstract function and redefine this function in the derive class to suit their requirement. Write a program that accepts dimensions of triangle, rectangle and display calculated area. Implement dynamic binding for a given case study. So here we are going to create a shape as a abstract class and two classes. First is triangle and rectangle as a child class. Abstract class consisting of abstract as well as non-abstract methods. So here the base class is shape and the derived classes are triangle and rectangle. In this practical we are going to calculate the area of triangle and area of rectangle. So let me move towards implementation part. Open Notepad, save as abstract.java. Save. Close it and open it inside our STS. First create an abstract class shape. Next child class is first triangle, second child class is rectangle, and again main class is class abstract. Inside that main method is there. So this is structure of our program. Here we are using the two functions in each class. First is compute area and second is calculate area. In abstract class we use the abstract function abstract public void compute area. It will accessing the two double type values, double, suppose a variable, double b variable is there. Abstract method doesn't having implementation. Its implementation is provided by its implemented class. Suppose triangle is a implemented class for shape, so extend shape. Here also in the rectangle extends shape. Save this. Here R is missing. And second method is calculate area, public void calculate underscore area. This is the normal method and this is the abstract method. Abstract method doesn't have body, normal method having body, but this body is empty inside shape, because we are going to override this calculate area inside triangle as well as inside rectangle. So that's why calculate area function which is available inside shape is empty, or you can put any message also, system.out.println simply hello. Now inside triangle public double, suppose base, public double, suppose height. For calculating area of triangle we required base and height. Next function is implement this abstract function inside child class public void compute area with two parameters. This dot base equal to a, this dot height equal to b. We just assigning the value to this variable base and height. Second is calculate area. Copy this function, paste inside triangle class. Save. Calculate area. System dot out dot println area of triangle is equal to, how to calculate the area, 0.5 into base into height. Save this. Now go inside main method. In this we are taking the value from the user, so double base comma height. These two variables require to pass base and height to this compute area for the triangle class, and double length comma breadth. This is useful for calculating area of rectangle. So next, use parent class shape dynamic binding. Suppose obj1, that is object1, equal to new triangle, semicolon. Now we will take the value of a base and height from the user. So for that we require the scanner. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. As we are using the scanner, you have to import the package import java.util. You can also use java.util.scanner semicolon also. First take the base from the user, enter base value, base equal to sc dot next double. Next, system dot out dot println, copy this, enter height value, height is sc dot next double. Here inside base user enter the value, inside height user enter the height, and simply pass this base and height to the compute area of a triangle. Here compute area is there, so for base and height the values are assigning. obj1 dot compute area base height. Now next, obj1 dot calculate area. So this is about calculating the area of triangle. Now same for area of rectangle. Simply copy every content, paste it, change the value object to, here rectangle is there, enter. Already we have taken the scanner, comment it, enter length, here variable name is length, and breadth, enter breadth value. obj2, here obj2 compute area, for that we are passing First is length and second is breadth. After that obj2 dot calculate area. Now for rectangle class, again copy the content which is available inside triangle, paste it. For base, change it to length, height change it to breadth, compute area a comma b not an issue, same variable is there, here length and here breadth. After that for calculate area, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. That's all. Here what we have done, first for triangle create object and passing the values that is taken from the user to the compute area function. After that calculate area. Same thing is available inside object2 also. For shape object2 equal to new rectangle. For rectangle we are taking the value from the user, we are passing the value length and breadth to the compute area function, and after that we calculate the area. Inside triangle class, first assigning the value to the base and height, after that calculate area by using 0.5 into base into height, and inside rectangle length and breadth as a variable, assigning the value by using compute area function, and calculate area inside that length into breadth. By using this we can calculate the area of rectangle. Here class abstract is there because we are save our file by using abstract.java. Now execute the code. Just cmd javac abstract.java. Program compiles fine. Java abstract. Enter base value suppose 10. Enter height value suppose 5. Area of triangle is 25. 10 into 5 is 50. Divided by 2 is nothing but 25. Enter the length value for calculating the rectangle area. Length is 20 and breadth is 10. Area of rectangle is 200. So this is all about this abstract class practical, that is dynamic binding. Thank you.